And welcome back to Broader Financial Future, your BFF when it comes to finance. In today's video, I'm going to discuss a high yield dividend stock. Now, before we get started, just make sure you hit that subscribe button. We're almost to 500 subscribers. We just need a couple more people just to hit that subscribe button to get us there. So, please share this video with friends and family. In addition to that, smash the like button. For some reason, we're supposed to say that on every YouTube video. That's just a disclaimer. All right, so just smash the like button and let's get started. All right, we're back. And just a quick disclaimer, this video is strictly for entertainment purposes only. Any investment may involve risks, so let's make sure you do your own homework and let's get started. All right, folks, this is actually a company I actually own, and that's New Residential Investment, ticker NRZ. Now, this particular company invests in the residential housing sector. The company owns mortgage servicing related assets, residential loans, and similar investments. It also owns a mortgage originator and servicer. So that's basically what this company, um, when you're buying this company, this is their focus, and this is basically what they do. In addition, this is basically a REIT. So it's a good way to get into the housing market without actually owning physical property. In addition to that, NRZ just completed the acquisition of Caliber Homes Loans, a eminent mortgage originator and servicer, expanding its mortgage operations around 4%. Now, the way they were able to do this was acquisition was funded through a mix of existing cash and liquidation available on the balance sheets of both companies. So that's how they were able to get this acquisition done. But the real reason why you're watching this video is let's get into the dividend. I'm getting there. All right. So before we talk about the dividend yield, I want to bring up that NRZ just hiked its dividend by a whopping 25% in the third quarter. It will now pay out a dividend of 25 cents per share. Now that's up from 20 cents dispersed in the prior quarter. The increase will be paid out on October 29th to its shareholders of record as of October 4th. So if you don't own this stock and you're thinking about getting it, as long as you buy it before October 4th, you can be a part of that dividend hike. So that's important to note there. In addition, let's look at this yield here. Now, NRZ has a dividend yield of 9%, so that's a huge dividend. So most companies have a 2%, 3%. This one is at 9%. So the dividend is really huge. It's in the REIT space. So that's something to look at as well. In addition, it's still a relatively small company at 5 billion, and the PE is just below a 9. So this is a company, if you're really going to get into the real estate space without actually owning any real estate property. This company has a high yield. This isn't the company I would look for tremendous growth as far as the stock of the company. But if you're looking for just a company that's going to pay a high dividend and you're not scared of a stock market crash or a housing crash, this might be something to look into. Like I said, this is a company I personally own, and they did slash their dividend last year, but since then they've been increasing it pretty much every quarter. And that's one thing I like to see in a company. I like to see a company that's committed to the dividend. They never suspended their dividend; they always kept paying it, which I think is an important thing. I hate when I see a company like Disney completely suspend their dividend last year. I like to see a company at least pay something because it shows me that they're still committed. But if they have to suspend the dividend, then I'd rather see a company like Disney suspend their dividend, which you've seen tremendous growth to the price of the stocks, because sometimes that has to happen. So just keep that in mind. But huge dividends. If you love dividends, this is a company to definitely look into and see if there's something that fits in your portfolio. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Smash that like button. and leave a comment to let me know if you own this stock or are you considering owning the stock as well. And to help support this channel, check the links in the description below. Until next time, everybody, have a good one. Peace.